What is TractionMAX and how does it function? TractionMAX plugs in between the OEM pedal and wiring harness and is easily adjustable by anyone. What it allows you to do is it allows you to slow down the acceleration rate of the vehicle to match the traction situation available. For example, stock, the throttle versus pedal opening kind of matches this. But if you turn the time up, let's say we go all the way up fully clockwise to 100, look at how slow the throttle opening is. So now you can adjust this to the horsepower of your vehicle. If you've got a 600 horsepower, 700 horsepower car, we recommend starting with the time on 50 and the pedal somewhere maybe on the positive 10 side. Looks like this. And now you say, well, now what happens? Now I've got a car, I launch in first gear, and now I'm in second and third gear, it's so slow to react. Well, we have an automatic lockout feature, which is really neat. You just take this loop, you plug it into this 3-pin port, and now you floor it. As soon as it goes to wide open throttle for the next 20 seconds, it now functions like normal. Pull up to a stoplight, whatever you want to do, you're good to go. If you want to reset it again right away, you can turn the time off and then back on. And as soon as it goes to wide open throttle, it resets it, or you can wait the 20 seconds for the time to expire. Or, let's say you've got another type of vehicle, you can, like I say, like an automatic Hemi or some other car like that, maybe an automatic Mustang, and you want to control your lockout on the fly. Well, now you can floor it. This button's not pushed, but watch what happens when we push the button. Now it's off. So now it's off the whole time the button's pushed. I've released the button. Anytime I release the button, throttle control's back. So all this is all included with the kit. Pretty neat. What comes in the box? You've got the knob, which has the pedal control, which 0 is stock, and the time 0 is stock on the right. Again, 600 horsepower vehicle, 700 horsepower vehicle, probably start with somewhere about 50 and maybe 10. What else is in the box? The wiring harness and the unit. And each one of the plugs connect right up. Also a jumper harness and a button to do the enable and disable on the manual lockout, and then a jumper which allows you to turn on and off the automatic enable and disable feature.